Okay, let's dig into this Earn platform today. We've got some interesting sources here about one of those online promises you see everywhere. Easy remote jobs.
Right.
Earn, specifically. Yeah. It's got over 100,000 downloads, advertised as an earnings platform.
So our mission really is to figure out, is this thing actually worth your time? Or is it just, a trap?
Well, what jumps out right away is how they present it. It looks pretty attractive, the whole setup.
Yeah.
But the real question for you, the listener, is simple.
Hmm.
Is the effort you put in actually worth the reward you get out? I mean, the dashboard looks great. Watching videos, reading books, playing games, surveys, even courses.
Yeah.
It practically screams easy money.
But almost immediately, the sources point out a big red flag. It's right there and how they get users.
Right.
They're pushing a $10 referral bonus per person. You bring in 100 people, that's supposedly $1,000.
Which sounds amazing, right?
Yes.
$1,000 for referrals on an app like this. That seems, suspiciously high.
Exactly. Astronomically high for this kind of microtask app. And you have to think, that high number probably isn't there so they can actually pay users $1,000. It's there to get people signing up.
Ah, acquisition over payout.
Pretty much. It feels like they're focused on pulling people in, knowing that the structure makes it super unlikely anyone will ever actually see that kind of money. It's like this huge promise next to a tiny, tiny reality.
And when you look at that reality based on user reports, wow, it's a stark contrast.
Yeah.
One source mentions spending an entire day doing everything possible on the app, surveys, offers, reading, you name it.
Okay, and the payout?
For the whole day, they earned very close to $1.
$1 for a full day's work.
Oof. And another user was even more direct, called their earnings this 0.155 cents. Pathetic by any standard.
$0.155. That's, pathetic is the word. This is where the promises just fall apart completely.
So let's unpack the math behind this, the micro earnings, because that's the key. Why is it so low?
Right, the how.
The tasks themselves seem almost designed to be unprofitable. Our sources found gaming tasks requiring like 4,000 hours of play.
Wait, hang on. Did you say 4,000 hours?
Yeah, 4,000 hours just to earn, and I quote, a couple of bucks.
That can't be right. 4,000 hours is insane. That's like 2 years of part-time work for maybe $2.
It's staggering. And it's not just the games. Look at watching ads.
Okay, what's the deal there?
The pay rate is apparently 0.005 per ad, half a cent.
Half a cent per ad. So to make one single dollar, you'd need to watch, what, 200 ads?
No, wait. 0.005. That's $1 divided by 0.005. That's 200 ads. You're right. My math was off. Still, 200 ads for $1.
Okay, 200 ads is still a lot, especially if they're long.
And that's the thing. Sources say many are unskippable, sometimes up to a minute long. You could spend hours just watching ads and still struggle to hit even a $5 minimum withdrawal.
Which seems to be a common threshold, that $5. So, given how incredibly low these earnings are, I mean, you're barely making back the cost of electricity. How does an app like this keep a high rating? The reviews are confusing.
That's a great question. You see these 5-star reviews, people saying best app ever, but when you read them carefully,
what do they actually say?
Nobody seems to be confirming they actually withdrew $5 or even $1. The positive comments are often just neutral. Things like, oh, I enjoy reading the books, or playing the games is fun.
Ah, so they like the activity, but there's no proof of payment, no confirmation they got cash out.
Exactly. It feels like.
Yeah.
Is it just a scam with extra steps if nobody's actually getting paid?
Well, that's the debate, isn't it? Is it legit? The sources sort of land on maybe technically the app functions, the tasks are there, but it seems structurally designed to make reaching that payout threshold incredibly difficult, maybe almost impossible for most people. One reviewer estimated it could take a dedicated user a whole year.
A year to make $5.
A whole year just to maybe hit that $5 withdrawal.
Okay, so that brings us to the wrap-up here. Being legit doesn't mean it's actually worth it.
Absolutely. That's the core takeaway. Just because something technically exists and follows some rules doesn't mean it's a good use of your time. You have to weigh the opportunity cost.
Reminds me of that anecdote one reviewer shared.
Oh, yeah.
They spent 3 years on a similar app, slowly earned about $3.
$3 in 3 years. Wow.
And then when they finally went to withdraw it, the app was suspended. Gone.
Ugh. All that time wasted, the time you spend watching those hundreds of ads or trying to grind out 4,000 hours on a game, that's time you could be doing actual paying work or honestly just relaxing.
For sure. So here's a final thought for you. If you're still kind of curious about Earnne or apps like it,
Okay.
try it. but just for one single day, or maybe a week, max. Track your time meticulously, see exactly how much you earn versus how many hours you sink in.
Right, do your own little experiment.
That short test will give you the clearest, most honest picture of what you'd actually be signing up for over the next few months, or even years. It'll tell you if it's really worth it for you.